Okay, cool. So I got like 20 minutes to make what I call assignment chicken. So I'm gonna guide you through everything that I do. First I put hot oil in the pan and I'll put the chicken seasonings in the next snap. Cool, so obviously the pan's heated, there's oil in the pan. I'm literally just gonna place each one in the pan. Yeah? So yeah, I'm not even trying to cook it in the oil. I literally just want to brown it on both sides, then I'm gonna put it back in the bowl. Okay, right. So both sides should look like that, yeah? Then back in the bowl. See how many I can do this snap. Cool, so the onions go into that oil that we just used, yeah? And the peppers and the tomatoes. Here now, people, I'm gonna add a little bit of honey. Just a little bit of honey on this. It's gonna go back in the pan once this is fried out. I put a little bit of Maggi on the top. I lowered the heat because obviously there was some bits that would have burnt from chicken seasoning. Okay, the way you know that this is like fried enough, yeah, is when you start to smell the sweet peppers and the onions, like the smell of it. Okay, now I'm gonna put the chicken back in here. Cool, some people use ketchup, I'm gonna use barbecue sauce if it comes out. Just in the edges, yeah. A little bit of water added. Turn up the heat. Okay, and then you decide when it's to your consistency, and that mofo is cooked.